जय ओम विष्णुपाद परमहंस परिविदयकचार्य स्तोत्र श्रीमद डिवाइन ग्रेस ऐसी भक्ति वेदांत स्वामी श्रील प्रभुपाद की जय। ग्रंथराज श्रीमद् भागवतम की जय। संवेद भक्त वृंद की जय। निताई गोप्रेमानंदे हरि बोल। So we'll continue reading from Srimad Bhagavatam, Canto 3, Chapter 3, The Lord's Pastime out of Vrindavan, text number 21. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Imam lokam amum chaiva Ramayan Sutaram Yadun Reme Kshnadaya Datta Kshna Stri Kshna Shauridaha. Translation and purport by Srila Prabhupada. Srila Prabhupada ki jai. The Lord enjoyed His pastimes both in this world and in the other worlds, higher planets, specifically in the association of the Yadu dynasty. At leisure hours offered by the night, the Lord enjoyed the friendship of conjugal love with women. But the Lord enjoyed in this world with His pure devotees. Although He is the personality of Godhead and is transcendental to all material attachment, He nevertheless exhibited much attachment for His pure devotees on the earth, as well as for the demigods who engage in His service in the heavenly planets as powerful delegated directors in the management of all material activities. He displayed special attachment for His family members, the Yadus, as well as for His 16,000 wives, who had the opportunity to meet Him in the leisure of hours of the night. All these attachments of the Lord are manifestations of His internal potency, for which the external potency is only a shadow representation. In the Skanda Puran, Prabhash Khand, in the topics between Lord Shiva and Gauri, there is confirmation of His internal potential manifestation. There is mention of the Lord's meeting with the 16,000 cowhead damsels, although He is the Hamsa, transcendental supersoul, and maintainer of all living entities. The 16,000 cowhead damsels are a display of 16 varieties of internal potencies. This will be more elaborately explained in the 10th canto. It is said that Lord Krishna is just like the moon, and the internal potential damsels are like the stars around the moon. Nama Om Vishnu Padaya Krishna Prestaya Bhutale Srimate Tamal Krishna Goswami Iti Namine. तो यहाँ पर भगवान का जो लीला है वो आगे बढ़ते हुए बताया कि भगवान स्त्री 321 भगवान इस जगत में और ऊंचे लोकों में भी देख सकते हैं हम लोग, हेवनली प्लैनेट्स में भी, और गोलोक वृंदावन धाम में तो डेफिनेटली, बैकुंठ में तो डेफिनेटली भगवान enjoys his lila with his devotees. But whilst in the material world we can see Krishna is still enjoying his pastimes with the devotees, ना? जैसे पृथ्वी पे भगवान pastimes करे हैं। दूसरा हम लोग देख सकता है भगवान बलि महाराज के, तो बलि महाराज is in which planet? In the lower planetary system, ना? सूतल लोक, so he is in सूतल लोक। और जैसे देवता लोक के समुद्र मंथन में, then Krishna was acting in the Moini Roop in the heavenly planets, distributing the nectar. So Krishna is because Krishna is omnipresent, all pervasive, तो भगवान सब जगह प्रेजेंट, तो भगवान सब जगह अपन लीला रकम से। और जब द्वारका में रहा तो भगवान यदु डायनेस्टी के साथ में ना, मथुरा और द्वारका में यदु डायनेस्टी के मेंबर्स के संगे। और फिर बोले जब रात्रि के समय है तो भगवान गोपी लोगों के संगे है या तो द्वारका के रानी लोगों के संगे ना। तो ऑल इन ऑल द एसेंस ऑफ द वर्स is that Krishna is always enjoying pastimes with his devotees ना। तो इवन जब भगवान के क्रिएशन करे के है, भगवान के आधा एक्टिविटीज़ करे के है, तो आई रिमेंबर एक टाइम शिला गुरुदेव हम के लंगेरे टेम्पल में ही हैड सब डिफरेंट, जैसे सनातन धर्म में सब देवी देवता है, क्रिश्चियनिटी में है सब, तो भगवान सबके पिक्चर्स रखे। तो शिला गुरुदेव बोले बताओ कौन भगवान है, तो पीपल अलग अलग रीजंस बताए ना कि ऐसे भगवान ऐसे भगवान है। तो देन अल्टीमेटली somebody said, Krishna is supreme because what you can see Krishna doing is Krishna is only playing his flute, enjoying with his devotees. तो बेसिकली वही एसेंस इसमें है, ये पपट में, ये वर्स में। तो प्रभुपाद जी बोले है कि कृष्णा मटेरियल वर्ल्ड से ट्रांसेंडेंटल है, मटेरियल अटैचमेंट से, लेकिन फिर भी अपन डिवोटीज के प्रति भगवान अटैच्ड है। For his devotees, Krishna is willing to do anything. Na? They say Krishna embraces Sudama, Krishna washes the feet of Sudama, Krishna becomes the charioteer of Arjuna, or you can see Krishna is attached, Ram is attached to Sabri Mata, so he even eats the Jutha bear and things like that. Na? तो बोले भगवान उसी प्रकार से, as well as for the demigods who engage in his service in heavenly planet. तो यहाँ एक अच्छा पॉइंट है। एक्चुअली मैं आज सवेरे सवेरे when I was chanting, तो this thought came to my mind ना, we have got a request from the Tulsi Tirath Mandir that we do Janmashtami for them ना। So the members very generously, they very kindly devotional attitude, they agreed that we do 8 days of Janmashtami at their premises. So then the thought came to my mind that generally people believe that the Vaishnavas or the Hare Krishna devotees, they don't respect the demigods, Devi Devta ke hum log. Lekin it just so happens that Prabhupada writes here also that the demigods are also devotees of Krishna. Na? They are doing a certain service. तो मैं सोच रहा था कि why is there this difference of opinion or difference in the approach? So there is different paths to realization, self-realization. So example came, Prabhupada ji बोले एक बड़ी इमारत हो, multi-story building हो, तो there's 2 ways to get to the top. One is to get the elevator and the other is to get the stairs. But जब building बनता है, दोनों required है ना? Which is required that you also have stairs. In case of an emergency, then when you want to exit the building, you got to take the stairs. Na? If the electricity goes out, then you take the stairs. So of course, this is a material example, but spiritual example is the opposite, will be flip of this one. So Karam Kand में people के main focus कौन सी है? Karam Kand में people want their self-satisfaction, which is the reason why we left Krishna and came to the material world. Na? Mamayivansa jiva loke jiva bhutasa manashasthani indriyani prakriti sthani kashyati. Because of the mind and the senses, for the pleasure of the mind and the senses, हम लोग भगवान से दूर रह गया है। तो कर्मकांड विधि ऐसे बना है कि it facilitates that fulfillment of material desires. तो देवी देवता के लोग आराधना करे है, it is Vedic, it is not wrong, it is Vedic. But it is a process of, lot of struggle before you can come to self-realization. Because every time material fruits mili, material enjoyment mili, for that moment you forget. So हमारे mind में example आवे ना, जैसे भगवान राम helped Sugriv, who was driven away by Vali ना, तो he got him to get the kingdom back. तो जब सुग्रीव के किंगडम मिल गए एंड सुग्रीव एंगेज्ड इन सेंस एंजॉयमेंट, He forgot about his promise to Ram. ना तो लक्ष्मण गए, लक्ष्मण जाके फिर जाके बाण तान लिस ना सुग्रीव के कि I'll kill you because you have forgotten your service, you promised to Ram that you'll help find Sita. So then Sugriv woke up to senses. Then he asked forgiveness. तो उसी प्रकार से हम लोग के लाइफ में हुए है कि हम लोग के जब सेंस एंजॉयमेंट मिले लगे, हम कर्म कांड पाथ से जब सेंस एंजॉयमेंट मिले लगता है, देवी देवता को जो प्रभुपाद बहुत अच्छा से एक्सप्लेन करे ना, द ओनली रीजन यू गेट फास्टर रिजल्ट्स फ्रॉम द देवीज एंड देवताज इज व्हाट? व्हाई यू वर्शिप देवी देवताज एंड यू गेट क्विक रिजल्ट्स? They don't want disturbance, exactly. Because यहाँ पे देखा पॉइंट बताइए से कि वो लोग भी powerful delegated directors है, they are serving Krishna. So when somebody is engaged in some service, and ordinary souls like us who are after material hankering, we go and disturb them. तो ये लोग कौन सी करे, बोले पकड़ो चलो, don't disturb me, I'm engaged in service. And that's how the living entity, conditioned living entity, जिसके खाली भोग इच्छा है, how to enjoy the senses इच्छा है, they want quick fixes. ना जैसे yesterday हम उसमें I think consumer council ये ला advertisement करे ना कि this advertisement is running, this very famous social media personality है ना, Shania Singh or something. So she does advertisements ना, तो consumer council is using her to do an advertisement कि एक आदमी है वो बोले invest करा $25, I got $50. Then I invest $500, then I got $1,000. तो बोले if I put a bigger investment, I'll get bigger return. So he's planning to invest $2,000. So then this girl is telling him that there is no substitute for hard work. Therefore, जो कुछ अगर लगे कि बहुत easy में मिलेला है, वो एक scam है. ना, so they'll give you छोटा छोटा रिवॉर्ड दे, जब तुम बड़ा इन्वेस्ट करेगा वो लेके भाग जाएगा. दिस इज व्हाट इज हैपनिंग. तो हम लोगन के स्क्रिप्चर्स यार के हम डिस्क्राइब करें, देवी देवता सब भगवान के सेवा में लगा है. तो ये हम लोग के तो स्केमिंग ला आइडिया है, हम बनता शॉर्ट जल्दी से हम को रिजल्ट मिल जाए, जल्दी सुखी हो जाए, जल्दी से दुख दूर हो जावे, हम लोगन के ये सब चीज़ हो जाए. बट हम लोग भुलाए गया है कि ये वर्ल्ड इज फुल ऑफ मिजरी. यहाँ पे दुख के निवारण नहीं हो पाए. It can only happen by Krishna consciousness. तो हम लोग इसे चीट हो जाता है. तब ऐसे भगवद गीता में बोले कृष्ण बोले कि worship of the demigods is actually my worship, but it is doing so in the wrong way. ना, why Krishna is saying doing in the wrong way? What is wrong in that? The wrong is that we don't get free from material entanglement. ये wrong है इसमें. Lord Shiva is not wrong. Mother Durga is not wrong. Mother Durga, to I was reading yesterday, we were reading Krishna book, and then Kamsa, when he was trying to kill the 8th child of Devaki, she rose into the sky, or she took the form of Durga. So Durga is Krishna's sister, so Durga is not wrong. Prakriti, Maya Devi is doing service to Krishna by keeping the forgetful souls, testing the forgetful souls, making them work hard so that they remember Krishna. So they are engaged in service. But हम लोग के misconception है ना, हम लोग because Krishna consciousness में what are we teaching? What is the path of bhakti? Path of bhakti is that of loving Krishna and leaving material sense gratification. Spiritual gratification is fine. We enjoy the kirtan, we enjoy the prasadam, we enjoy the devotee association. Everyone likes talking. So let's talk about Krishna. मच्चिता मद्गत प्राणा बोधयंत पर कथयंत से माम नित्यम तुष्यंती चा रमयंती चा. एकदम रम जाते हैं ना हम लोग. तो साधु संत है, डिवोटीज है, वो कृष्ण कथा में रम जाए ना. गोपी लोगन सब कृष्ण कथा में रमा है. यशोदा मैया, this morning this prayer came to my mind na. I was thinking we sing this bhajan very nicely, everyone likes it na. Achyutam Keshavam Krishna Govinda na. So then say, कौन कहता है भगवान खाते नहीं, माँ यशोदा के जैसे तुम खिलाते नहीं ना. तो people don't sometimes understand what's the depth behind it. माँ यशोदा के जैसे हम लोग खिलाते नहीं, मतलब what are the qualities of Mata Yashoda? Yashoda means she who always glorifies others, always puts others ahead of her own self. If somebody has that bhav, उसके हाथ से भगवान खा ले. What is behind Mother Yashoda? Yashoda के जैसे तुम खिलाते नहीं. So what is also Yashoda? Yashoda is always thinking she only loves Krishna. She does hard work for Krishna. Then I started thinking of the Damodar Leela. Yashoda Maya was thinking, there's so 9 lakh cows in our house, we make the best of everything, I've got so many servants, making the butter. But why is Krishna going and stealing butter elsewhere? Na? Also Acharyas explained that Krishna sab jagah jaye because Krishna is taking service from everyone. But what was the mood of Mother Yashoda? Mother Yashoda said, maybe I have to make the butter myself. Then Krishna. So Mother Yashoda thinks, I have to serve myself. Na? Then Krishna is with the hands of Mother Yashoda. So this is great. And then if you looked at so many things, Mother Yashoda does not even consider Krishna to be the Supreme Personality of Godhead. She just loves Krishna. Natural love for Krishna. So this is very high. So again, by the song itself, by the bhajan itself, you see, it is talking about pure devotional service. It's not talking about Mishra devotional service. You also want to gratify your senses. So that's why Chaitanya Mahaprabhu said, Karam Kan, Gyan Kan, Karam Kan, Kevala Visherapan. Because all these things will actually poison the state of your pure devotional service. It will again then start putting our sensual interest, sense gratification interest. So Krishna, he displayed special attachment for his family members and the Yadus as well as for his 16,000. So Krishna is always saying, even in Bhagavad Gita, Krishna is saying, I am impartial. I am equal to everyone. But then he say, my devotee is very, very dear to me. Na? So again, I was thinking this morning of chapter 12 of Bhagavad Gita, how Krishna is giving Bhagavan Krishna sub different levels of devotional service. They were na, ki hai, hi nahi sakote. Yesterday we discussed about it. Na, hi nahi, nahi. And then I was thinking from the beginning of chapter 12, by the end of chapter 12, then Krishna actually culminates into saying that John satisfied hai, John friend to everyone. And then Krishna describes the character of a devotee. So when we do all these things, it ultimately translates into a being. हम लोग के कैरेक्टर कौन सी, हम लोग के क्वालिटी कौन सी है, हम लोग कैसे स्वभाव है, कैसे बिहेव करता है. Then Krishna ultimately looks at that. And that's when Krishna is equal to everyone, then he becomes attracted to the devotees. So, very nicely Prabhupada यहाँ पे दे. फिर Prabhupada बोले कि एग्जाम्पल है कि भगवान के इंटरनल मैनिफेस्टेशन के बारे में लॉर्ड शिवा और माता गौरी भी स्कंद पुराण में डिस्कस करे हैं कि ये सब जो है भगवान के इंटरनल पोटेंसीज से भगवान के अंतरंग लीला है ना. बिकॉज यहाँ पे मेंशन है स्पेसिफिकली कि भगवान ऑल द टाइम लीला करते रहे, एंजॉय करते रहे, हैप्पीनेस में रहे. तो बोले कि इन द आवर्स ऑफ द नाइट देन कृष्ण इज एंजॉइंग रास डांस ना. तो अगेन प्रभुपाद कोट्स हियर लॉर्ड शिवा एंड पार्वती, दे आल्सो डिस्कस अबाउट दिस. सो अगर कॉमन मैन अंडर द बिलीफ ऑफ कर्मकांड सिस्टम थिंक्स नो कृष्णा इज इमोरल, दैट इज नॉट कृष्णा इज नॉट इमोरल. बिकॉज कि लॉर्ड शिवा और मदर गौरी कन्फर्म करे कि दैट हैपन्स अंडर द इंटरनल पोटेंसी ऑफ कृष्ण. वो कृष्णा के अंतरंग शक्ति के मैनिफेस्टेशन है. एक्चुअली में हम लोग देखता है, ऐसे बताया है ना, ब्रह्मा जी भी प्रार्थना बोले लक्ष्मी सहस्र सतसम ब्रह्म से, thousands of Lakshmi. So all the queens of Dwarka are actually expansions of Lakshmi. Lakshmi is an expansion of Srimati Radharani. So it is Krishna's energy all expanded in many forms. For what reason? हम कल पपट में पढ़ा रहा, for variegatedness, तो creates variety ना. जैसे हम लोग भी we like to take a variety, प्रसादम हम लेता है, variety अच्छा लगे, प्लेट में रकम रकम चीजें रहना. तो कृष्णा इसे variety of devotees है, सब devotee अलग अलग है. Then Krishna also manifests his own energy in a variegated way. So Radharani is there, Sakhis are there, Manjaris are there, फिर बैकुंठ में लक्ष्मी लोगन हैं, फिर सहस्र लक्ष्मी लोगन हैं ना. कृष्ण के गोपीज लोगन, मुनिचारी गोपीज है, ऋषिज लोगन हैं. So Prabhupada basically brings home the point that this is also confirmed by Lord Shiva and Parvati. So It is said, so Lord Krishna is just like the moon, and the internal potential themselves are the stars around the moon. So Krishna is the Chandrama, and all the gopis or the queens are like the stars. So together, it's all part of Krishna's pastime. Okay, so any discussions, anything? Yes.
बताया आपको कि मटेरियल सेल्फ डेरिवेशन कर बैठे और स्पिरिचुअल सेल्फ डेरिवेशन ठीक है
हाँ
ठीक हम तो नया डिवोटी आया है हेल्थी एकदम है
हाँ
हमारे स्कूल में होते थे स्पिरिचुअल डेरिवेशन सरकार करें मटेरियल
हाँ
सरकार करें तो प्रसादन बना
हाँ
हम उठाया खाली स्वीट खाया लगा
हाँ
बराबर चाहिए
हाँ
या तेल रखा में हाथ चाहिए
हाँ
तू भी आइटे हैं
हाँ हाँ हाँ
आप किसे बताएगा
दिस इज हम लोग के
स्पिरिचुअल सेटिस्फाई करता है
हाँ 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 तो हम लोग जब स्पिरिचुअली सेंस ग्रेटिफिकेशन करता है तो ऐसे नहीं है कि दैट्स द ओनली थिंग दैट वी डू ना जैसे वी एंजॉय ईटिंग सो एंजॉय योर सेल्फ टेकिंग प्रसादम सो व्हाट इज द कंप्लीट प्रोसेस ऑफ कृष्ण कॉन्शियसनेस कृष्ण कॉन्शियसनेस वी कैन डू एनी वन थिंग एंड दैट्स सफिशिएंट अगर प्रसाद खा के हार्ट अटैक मार के मर भी गया तो भी बैक टू गोडेड चला जाएगा बट द पॉइंट दैट आई वांट टू से इज दैट ओके आई कम टू द टेम्पल बिकॉज आई लव ईटिंग सो आई एम गोइंग टू कम एंड ईट एवरीथिंग राइट बट एट द सेम टाइम there is also some hearing, there is also some katha, some kirtan. So when we engage in variety of things, then what happens? We also develop knowledge and understanding. Yesterday we also discussed in Krishna book reading last night that this discussion was about knowledge and detachment. So when he was trying to kill the 8th child, and the 8th child went into the air, and Durga Devi said, that person, the child who's supposed to kill is already born somewhere else. Then Kamsa is telling Vasudeva and Devaki that please don't lament over the death of your children because the material body is destructible and the spirit is eternal. And then he fell at their feet and started asking forgiveness. Na? So Devaki, out of emotion, she forgot that Kamsa had killed her. So she said, she felt Kamsa was repenting genuinely, so she forgave. Then Vasudeva said to Kamsa, actually the knowledge that you have spoken is correct. Therefore don't feel bad that you have killed him. Then Kamsa got relieved of his guilt. Then he went back to the kingdom. He went to his kingdom. Then he told all his demon friends, associates, that this is what has happened. And this is a discussion we have, so I'm no longer guilty. And so then all the demons, they became worried. They said, if Kamsa is going to give in to Vasudeva and start thinking like that, then what will happen to us? So then the associates start telling Kamsa that, no, you are very powerful. Even the demigods are scared of you. Every time, you did this, demigods came and surrendered to you, and they sought your salta, they asked forgiveness from you. तो that way, उसके भड़काइस. फिर उसके बताया कि बट तुम बहुत कंपैशन भी तो एवरी टाइम तुम देवता लोगों के माफ कर देता है तो लाइक प्लस एंड माइनस करके उसके भड़का दे. तो पॉइंट है व्हाई आई वाज सेइंग दिस पॉइंट आप बोलेगा कैसे आपके क्वेश्चन से मनता रिलेट करे इज दैट knowledge is part of it. So when we come to Krishna consciousness, the first thing we do is we dovetail all our sense gratificational interest into in a spiritual way. ना तबे से जैसे एक बहुत कॉमन चीज है आई थिंक इट्स वेरी कॉमन इन दिस वर्ल्ड एवरीवन इज अवेयर बट समटाइम्स वी डोंट वांट टू टॉक अबाउट इट बट दिस इज अ फैक्ट ऑफ लाइफ यू कैन सी इन दिस वर्ल्ड everyone wants to enjoy. Actually, next verse of Prabhupada mentioned करे है कि Krishna is not like this. Actually, में पूरा दुनिया is driven by sex life. So that's what whole attraction is. So when you turn to spirituality, then how is it facilitated? It is facilitated in the Grihastha ashram. So ऐसे नहीं है कि spirituality means one cannot have a relationship with the opposite sex. The relationship with the opposite sex is facilitated in the Grihastha ashram. Not in Brahmacharya, not in Vanaprastha, not in Sannyas. Grihastha ashram. Then Grihastha ashram allows regulated sense gratification. What happens by regulated sense gratification? That over a period of time, you will give up. Huh? Of course, you can say you become fed up, but maybe और positive way में उसके vocabulary करी जा कि over a period of time you will lose taste and interest for it. हाँ, material तो actually आपके जो question है वो हम लोग के next verse पे लेके चल दी. So maybe tomorrow we can discuss, but next verse में तो प्रभुपाद बोले है कि Krishna himself he gave the example that towards the end he was doing all his grahastha responsibilities as Dwarkadish, and then towards the end he gave up everything. तो प्रभुपाद पपट में लिखे बोले कृष्ण इज सेटिंग एग्जाम्पल कि हम लोग के लाइफ में ऐसे हम लोग के मांगे टुवर्ड्स द एंड ऑफ द लाइफ हम लोग के मांगे टेस्ट सब मटेरियल टेस्ट सब निकल जाए और तब हम लोग के प्योर टेस्ट एक्चुअली अभी हम लोगों के मे बी बिकॉज आई माई सेल्फ एम नॉट एट दैट स्टेज तो हमें भी एक्सप्लेन करो डिफिकल्ट है बट रियली वर्किंग इन द फ्रूट्स लर्निंग फ्रॉम द आचार्य वो जो प्योर लव फॉर कृष्णा इट्स अ डिफरेंट एक्सपीरियंस. You will have actually lost. You don't see anything material. अभी हम लोग के on and off हो जावे ना. अभी भी हम लोग friends and foes देखता है. हम लोग के on and off हो जावे है कि we see friends and foes, likes and dislikes, all these things. But you look at from the vision of Srila Prabhupada. Srila Prabhupada didn't see any faults. Whereas Prabhupada saw how everything can be engaged in Krishna. So that's the pure devotee side.
Next question. जैसे कर्म है अगर कुछ पाप करा तो आपके तो कहीं हमारे पड़ जाएगा. तो अभी एक कोई person बीमार है तो कर्म भक्ति आता है ना. तो बीमार है तो हमने उसके दवाई देकर अच्छा कर दिया तब कर्म कहाँ गए उसके भूत की तरह.
नहीं it's part of the karma है. हाँ
दिया तो बीमार रहेगा. गोली देकर अच्छा कर दिया कर्म कहाँ गए कौन सी फसल है.
नहीं उसके get well हो जाएगा. That's also part of karma. It's also part of karma. And then again, say for example, we are interacting, right? अभी आप बीमार है, I'm a doctor, I'm going to give you medicine. तो वो भी Prabhupada explain करे ना, बोले sometimes it works because क्या है, why? देखो कभी कभी naturally हम लोग बीमार पड़ता है, and then we recover. There's a natural प्राकृतिक way of handling these things by law of karma. But अच्छा ठीक है, आप बोलेगा कि हम बीच में intervene कर दिया. I gave you medicine, you became well. You became well and you committed sinful activities again. So then I'm also becoming a party to it. तब तो हमारा कर्म create हुई है. So yeah. And then again, otherwise, why would Krishna give Ayurveda? Krishna gave Ayurveda that ailments के these herbal medicines will work this way. तो हम लोग इसे नहीं बोलो कि हम लोग कोई के उसके कर्मा भुगते के रहा बट हम लोग उसके दवाई दे के राइट कर दिया उसके कर्मा उसके प्रिवेंट करा दिया. बीमार करके पैसा Hare Krishna. Okay, so it's time for darshan. Thank you all very much. Thank you, Sumukha Prabhu. Hare Krishna. Jai Grantara Srimad Bhagavatam ki jai. Srila Prabhupada ki jai.